Welcome to the quantum flame field. This is your sacred space to return to yourself. Settle in to whatever position feels best. Sitting, reclining, or lying down. There's nothing you need to do. Just follow my voice and close your eyes and allow yourself to take a few deep breaths in and out, in and out. Feeling your chest rise and fall with each breath. In and out. Just breathing. And as we do this, we are going to assist our body in this relaxation as well. Beginning at the crown, just allowing your skull and your head to relax. Moving down to your face, allowing your facial muscles to relax. Your eyes, relaxing your jaw and your neck and shoulders. Just allowing them to relax. Your arms relaxing and your hands and fingers. Relaxing your chest and your heart space. Letting go in the belly and the hips and the glutes. Relaxing your thighs, your calves, your ankles. Relaxing your feet and toes. Feeling your whole body here, soft, grounded, and safe. And now, we're going to bring our heart and our breath and our mind into coherence. Just imagine your heart is breathing. Your heart is breathing the air in and out. Gently, naturally, and with each inhale, your system expands, and with each exhale, it settles. Just breathing in and out, letting the body be held, letting the energy slow down, letting yourself drop in. And in a moment, I want you to notice the air, crisp, misty, cool sprinkles across the face and body, the hard, sandy surface beneath you as you lay there. The earth holds you, grounds you, The clouds gently part, and the sun's warm rays slowly sweep down across your face and body, drying up the sprinkles from the ocean instantly. Weather is perfectly balanced, comfortable, nourishing. As you look around, you recognize this beach environment. Seems familiar in the deepest sense. And as you tune in to the gentle beat, the pulse, the waves crashing, aligning with this natural beat. You're listening, tuning in to the beat of the earth, noticing the steady rhythm, consistent, full-bodied, and the vibration slowly increases a little bit louder and a little bit louder. And as this steady, grounded rhythm, this universal beat from the earth and beyond, as this vibration fills the space and connects with you and your body and mind and spirit, you begin to notice that there's another faint beat, but this one seems a bit off rhythm compared to the steady one. Not as full, not as consistent. The two beats very distinguishable. Tuning into the body, this is not from the earth like the other one. This one comes from the self. It's coming from inside your body and tuning more into your own beat and questioning, why is my beat off? How can I steady my rhythm? Be patient. The shift. Notice the shift of how your connection to the earth's vibration starts to shift your own. The beats slowly aligning. And as this happens, you notice the calmness now moving through your body. Completely steady. Completely relaxed. Your beat is in alignment with the earth's beat. The natural rhythm of life. Regulated, and at your core, you know that this is your truest vibration. Send gratitude for this understanding and this shift and this medicine. And now we will begin to slowly prepare to return. Let's take one last deep breath before we make our way back. In and out. Just bringing our energies back to our bodies. Feeling ourselves begin to return back to this current reality, this current moment. Becoming aware of the present moment, feeling your breath, feeling your body, noticing where you're resting and the space around you. Slowly coming back into this room, in this time, on this day. And before we fully return, take a moment to feel the depth of the wisdom that moved through you, the stillness, the insight, the remembrance. Offer a moment of gratitude to your body, to your spirit, to whatever showed up for you here, and remember that you can always return to this depth whenever you feel the need. It's already within you. It always has been. Just beginning to move slowly now, wiggling your fingers and toes. Maybe some gentle stretches. When you're ready, open your eyes. Blessings to you. Thank you.